Hey everyone, today I thought I'll do a quick video on my engine rebuild. I got most of the parts. I'm just gonna take them to a machine shop to get everything done. I haven't got the necessary skill or the tools to do an engine build, even though I like to do it. So here we go, I'll show you. So the case halves, closed deck, bore size is 100 millimeter. When I took it to the machine shop, they said that's the one they need to bore it out to, because the size up from I think 99.5 was not possible due to some scoring damage. So it's been bored to 100 millimeter. So that's all been done. The pistons here, I went with JE pistons. That's the piston, how it looks like. Everything comes in the package. You got the locks, the wrist pins, and the necessary information as well. That's the part number there, if anybody is interested. For the rods, I went with Manley H beam. Again, the box comes with the instructions and also the measurements as well on each box. So don't, if you take them out, you had put it in the same box, don't mix it up. And that's the part number for the rods. For the crankshaft, it's the Subaru Nitride crankshaft. It's a brand new one, and that's the part number for that. And for the case bolts, again Subaru original case bolts. I bought a new pack rather than going with the old one. The only parts that I haven't bought are the bearings for the connecting rods, and also the main journal ones as well. Again, I wasn't quite sure, so I'll get the machine shop to check the clearance and let me know what they are, so I can go ahead and buy some, or maybe they can provide me some. I was thinking of going with the ACL race bearings. So hopefully, this will be the short block. Once that gets done, I'll get into doing my heads. I'm gonna get those ported as well. I'll do another video on that. Again, I have to take it to the machine shop and get some work done on it. So stay tuned. I'll show you once everything has been completed and go from there. Thanks for watching.